Only 6 out of every 1,000 rapists will end up in prison. That's because nationwide, thousands of rape kits go unprocessed.
41 Action News reporter Mackenzie Nelson takes a closer look at the scope of the problem in Missouri.
Missouri will now join 32 other states in an audit of backlogged rape kits. The announcement comes from Attorney General Josh Hawley after a report that the state has never once done a review of those untested kits. So the exact number of those unprocessed is still unknown.
According to Rape, Abuse, and Incest National Network, or RAINN, every 98 seconds, someone is sexually assaulted in the United States. Many of those cases go unsolved because of a rape kit backlog.
There are kits that are never requested to be tested by law enforcement for one reason or another.
Nationwide, Victoria Pickering says it could take months or even years for a kit to be tested. She says that's also the case in the state of Missouri.
Finding out that one kit hasn't been tested, particularly if it's a kit that the survivor thought was being tested, is alarming.
Not only does the backlog hinder an investigation, but it can also affect the healing process of a survivor. That's why Attorney General Hawley is working to solve rape victims' cases by conducting an investigation. In 2016, the state of Kansas went through an audit. During that time, Pickering worked on the Sexual Assault Kit Initiative.
It was a really eye-opening process.
They found 2,200 kits had not been processed. Now those kits are all being tested. Pickering says their work was more than just tackling the backlog issue. It was about preventing one in the first place. Now she's hoping the state of Missouri can do the same.
Testing backlogged kits may not result in every case being prosecuted, but what it may do is help us to identify and hold accountable those who are responsible for assaulting multiple people.
Attorney General Hawley says this investigation will help determine the scope of the problem, agencies responsible, and ways the state can implement change. In Kansas City, I'm Mackenzie Nelson, 41 Action News.